Hey everybody, I'm just about ready to get started on day 3 of Maston Kipp's Claim Your Power Live. I'm so excited for this because I've had such incredible ahas over the weekend, just reinforcing things that I've heard before, but just feeling at a deeper level. And the one takeaway that I've gotten this weekend is that your thoughts, your stories, your emotions, your beliefs, they follow your nervous system state. And that if we want to actually make a change in that, it's not anything you can do in your mind. And this is coming from somebody who's like so analytical, so in their head, and always trying to fix and change things. And you just get so trapped in that cycle. It's about changing your nervous system state, because as you move up the polyvagal ladder, you begin to shift these stories and these thought patterns. And trying to shift these thoughts while you're in the lower nervous system states of like the survival and like the freeze mode, you're not going to change anything. You're just going to frustrate the fuck out of yourself. So it's about learning how to regulate your nervous system. And we did such a powerful exercise of regulation and just really sitting in the 3 different states of the nervous system and just feeling the emotions and allowing them to flow through you. It's about not trying to bypass what you're actually feeling. It's moving your way up the ladder to go into a more ventral state where you're feeling connected, you're feeling safe, you're feeling joyful, you're feeling happy, and all of those things. You can't try to jump to have these empowered, happy, positive, grateful thoughts when you're sitting at the bottom of the ladder. So stop trying to force yourself. It's about allowing those emotions to flow through. Move yourself up the ladder, and then it's going to be so much easier because your stories and your thoughts follow your nervous system.